Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable enter button as send message in WhatsApp mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my WhatsApp application on my phone. Then I have opened my room chat as well, and we're going to send a message for this room chat. So for example, I'm going to type hello like this, and as you can see that there's no enter button right here and there's only send button, so we're not able to create new line or go to the next line. We can only send this message. So to fix this problem, we can go back to the previous section. Then we can click on the three dots button right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can click on settings, and then we just need to click on chat, and after that we can click on this toggle button to turn off or disable enter button as sent message. So just tap on the toggle button, then we can check it. We can go back to our room chat. Then I'm going to type, and then I'm going to send message. Then we can click on the enter button to create new line. Okay guys, and that's how we can disable enter button as send message in WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.